Hey guys, Mr. Winters here again, and today we are working on simplifying expressions. Now remember that expressions are, they don't have an equal sign, so we're not solving. We are just finding an expression that would be equivalent or equal to our problem. So in this one we have y times y times y. Think of it like if we had 1 times 1 times 1. We know that would be 1 to the third power, right? So the same thing applies to variables. If we have y times y times y, that is going to equal y to the third power. But if I had y plus y plus y, when we're adding, we are going to add our number before our variable. So that would be 3y, because we have 3 y's. All right, let's try another one. Say I have 6w plus 4 minus 2w. In this one, I have 2 variables. And since they both have the same letter, which is w, I can combine these like terms. So I'm going to take my term 6w and I'm going to subtract, because I have that subtraction sign before that 2w. So I'm going to take 6w minus 2w. I know that 6 minus 2 is 4. But since I have a w in front of or behind both of those, it's going to be a 4w. So now I have 4w, and since I've already solved those, I'm left with my number, which is 4. So 4w plus 4 would be your answer for that one. And we don't solve this any further, even though we have 4w plus 4, we have 2 4's in that addition sign. Since these are not like terms, we do not have to add them together. If there was another 4w over here, we would have to add those because those are like terms. But if there's just a number and then a number with that variable behind it, you are done. All right, let's do one more. 4x plus 8 minus 3x plus 3. So here I'm going to look for my like numbers and my like variables. So I have a 4x and I have a minus 3x. And then I have my plus 8 and my plus 3. I'm going to start with my x's. So I'm going to look at 4x and then minus 3x. So I know 4 minus 3 is 1. So instead of just writing 1, I'm going to write 1x, or I can just write x. And I'm going to just cross those out to know that I've already done those. So now I'm left with a positive 8 and a positive 3. So I'm going to look at this number or this operation in front of this 3, and there's an addition sign, so I'm going to add 8 plus 3. And I know 8 plus 3 is 11, and then I'm going to carry both of these down as well. So x plus 11 will be your final answer for that one. So, and then again, remember, if you do not have an x on the right side of this 11, you are done. So you are completely finished when you have your variable and then your number without the variable for these problems. All right, the next few slides, you'll try some on your own.